Scanning for the Epson Expression 10,000 XL. You will click on the icon and you will first select Show Details. Show Details will show the preview of what you currently have on the flatbed. The white background is the protective backing that needs to be removed in order for this scan to be successful. For this scan, I'll choose 300 dpi and the format will be TIFF, which can also be a JPEG or PDF depending on what you're trying to scan. I will name it Test Scan. And I'm trying to scan a transparency positive film. After changing the scan mode, it automatically previews what you have on the flatbed. After the preview, the scanner has picked up other items in the background besides your film. The blue indicator dots signify what the scanner will scan if you were ready, but you need to remove those by having them selected and pressing delete. After delete, you want to select by clicking and dragging, and you will press scan to produce your file. Because I set the scanner to scan to the desktop, it automatically appears on the top right. If I double click, a preview will show what I have scanned. And this will be your scanned file. From here, you may upload this file to your USB drive or any online storage